Coming to you from STI Santa Mesa as we continue Season 2 of the CXBL Inter-PLDT Basketball League. We have here our best player of the game, Mr. Bryce Malagueño, with 12 points, 13 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. So, ano ang naging mindset mo pagpasok po ng game?
Bali, yung mindset ko lang naman is teamwork namin, tulungan sa rebound, tapos ang scoring sunod na lang yun. Bali, hindi namin depensa.
So, ano po ang naging game plan ninyo at paano nyo execute po?
Bali, yung game plan lang namin is trap lang namin yung pinaka-handle kanila ng bola. Then, pag nakakuha na namin, next na namin yung scoring.
Okay. Sino po yung naging inspiration niyo po?
Inspirasyon ko dito yung yung pamilya ko, yung asawa ko, saka yung anak ko. Nanonood sila kanina sa live.
Okay. Lastly, anyone you would like to give a shout out po?
Bali, yung binabati ko lang naman yung mga kaibigan ko na ganyan. Tapos yung team ko, salamat, tiwala. Tapos yung mga grupo ko sa MNS, shoutout sa inyo. Diba?
Once again, our best player of the game is Bryce Malagueño of Team 1 ESA. Please like and follow our FB page, CX Basketball League. Thank you po.